runner-up. The third runner-up. Third runner-up, contingent number 2. So of course, congratulations. They will have 50,000 pesos. Here we go. And tonight, ladies and gentlemen, magkita-kitang tanan for the anniversary concert. We'll have Milo Bag, Cookies, No Pets Allowed, DJ Alfred Maligaya, and DJ Ara, Julio, FH, and DJ. And also Digo Spice. Now, second runner-up is second runner-up, contingent number 1. Once again, magkita-kita na pala una. We have the fireworks display at 6:30 right here where we are standing now. Then may kabuulang alas 6 siya. Ang fireworks display, magkahuman, mag-party tantanan with the anniversary concert. And the same thing, kanina pwede niya mag-Hawaii ride. Hawaii ride ang remaining contingents. I will announce the first runner-up.